Hi friends, if you're tuning in, I'm guessing that you have so many photos and videos that you love and captured for a reason, but you just don't know what to do with them, or you don't have time to fool with them, or maybe it's just been too much trouble, but I know you want to see them, right? I'm so excited to share with you about how to not only get your photos, but also your home movies and videos out of your computer, off your phone, and back into your life where you can relive and enjoy them anytime from the comfort of your sofa or even your home theater. Anywhere you have a smart TV, you can now take advantage of that big screen to view your photos and videos with a few clicks of a remote, a Forever account, and more about that later, and an Amazon Fire Stick. Even my videos will play instantly using the free Forever app. All these fun videos I've taken of my kids on my phone, they're all there. I can set up a curated album and set the order of the photos and videos for my slideshow, or I can simply start a one-click slideshow with all the photos in my library. I also recently sent in all my old family home movies as far back as the 50s and had them digitized and added to my Forever account. And now I can not only see the moving pictures of family members I didn't even know, and also moments like my beautiful young mom bringing me home from the hospital, my parents acting like the young people that they were and playing with their new puppy, my grandparents in their prime who died when I was really young, and so many more amazing and meaningful memories I didn't even know existed. I started out making this video as just a cut and dried instructional thing, but as I was seeing my photos go by and watching some home videos I hadn't ever seen before, this is so meaningful, and I'm just happy that I can share it with you. So let's get started with how to set this up, and I'll show you just how easy it is. You will need a Forever account to upload your photos and videos, and I'll link a video below with more information about that once I get that finished. Of course, I was too excited and did this first. The Forever app for smart TVs and also the Forever mobile app is completely free. The only equipment you're going to need is an Amazon Fire Stick. It doesn't really matter which one. You're going to plug it in and pair it with your smart TV using the instructions it came with. And you can always find a YouTube video if you need help. Once everything's paired up, you're going to see the Amazon home screen, and you're going to scroll over to Find, scroll down to Search, click that, and using your remote, you're going to type in Forever. And you may see it populate down at the bottom, and you can scroll down and click it or type out the whole thing, doesn't matter. You're going to see some kind of weird things. Just scroll down until you see Apps and Games. You're going to click Enter, and then click Get. It's free to download, and it just takes a few seconds, really. And then there are some little instructions that pop up that are useful for your remote, so read those. And then once it's installed, you'll click Open, and then type in your email and your password for your Forever account, and you're all set. Now, once everything's set up and the app is installed, you can, anytime you want to open it, you can scroll down to see recently used apps, or you can simply say, Alexa, open my Forever app. A couple of tips: when you open your app, it will open in your library. I've got it switched to albums at the moment. And you can scroll over to the right using your remote and scroll up and down through all your albums, your library photos. You can look at your tags. I'm not going to go through all that because it'll make the video so long. And it's very easy to do. You just scroll with your remote. In settings, you can change your slideshow speed, and you'll just, again, scroll up and down. You'll select the speed. To start a slideshow, you select an album. You'll click on the album and simply click Start Slideshow. Sorry I had to switch views. That glare was killing me. My favorite feature about the app is that if you have photos and videos mixed together in an album and start a slideshow, your photos will show as photos, and then your videos will play as a video. It's amazing. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to follow me at Photo Burrito for more tips and tricks for your Forever account. Have a great day.